What's up, creatives? John Wan here, director, photographer, recording artist, back with another how-to tutorial on next level music video setups. I got a special treat today for you directors looking to add some action style scenes to your next visual. Before I dive in, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video and that you're subscribed so you never miss a beat. I told you guys, I'm hitting you with plenty of these DIYs this summer, so keep it locked. My guys RCYN from Lakewood are a fun group to be around, not to mention on fire with the music too. For this visual, I decided to have the group pull off a diamond heist. DJ B spoke about Cartier diamonds being flashed on the hook, and that line just stood out to me visually. First, I set up a camera on a tripod atop a ladder in a position like you would see a surveillance camera. Then I recorded the same action from the crew in several positions from the room to give it the scene of multiple surveillance cameras at once. The final scene of the surveillance montage shows Stack shooting the camera as he exits. Another part of this video I wanted to touch on was the getaway scene. For this scene, I used the Camtree gripper to affix the camera to the windshield. This convenient piece of equipment gives you the flexibility to position the camera in many places inside and outside a vehicle using suction cups. The gripper holds about 9 pounds and my setup is about 6 at the most. Keep in mind wind force and acceleration when using this outside the vehicle. The scenes I got using the gripper really make a dramatic getaway look, and the stability made for some dope cuts in post. And with that, another dope music video setup. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. I love a good movie style music video, but I love a well set up point and shoot style too. I think it all depends on the track and the artist. I'd love to know what style you guys prefer. Let us know below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you find any of these tutorials useful. Thank you guys for showing up and tapping in. If you want more content from me, connect with me on Instagram at PlentySkills, or connect with my production company at Usual Politics and at P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. Alright now, creatives, let's continue to build each other up. Remember, show love and pay it forward. Until next time, peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.